camera.
We've been sold a lie that we're supposed to all look and exist the same way.
My name's Alex. I'm a pigeon enthusiast, and I've been working on a special project for the past 5 years. I'd call it a pigeon sanctuary, and I'm going to be finished with it soon. I just need a little bit more money.
No, you don't have to. Don't close the account now. Well, I know you called me before, but I'm good for it.
I am the creator and founder of CRAP, which is the Coalition Representing American Pigeons. We run a small Facebook group. That's a little too much.
What does crap do?
It's CRAP. It's not crap.
No, I'm pretty sure I still have a couple notices left before. Oh, this is the third.
I'm hopeful. I've reached out to a lot of pro-pigeon celebrities and notable people in the pigeon community. Of course, Jeff Staple. He's like the most notable pro-pigeon celebrity.
Just like a designer in the pigeon space. Like, who would have thought? You know, what a crossover. But he's really doing it. He's really setting the standard.
I first saw Jeff on Network when he did Staple Day in 2021. He's bringing back Staple Day again for 2022, and I can't wait to watch and hopefully one day meet him. If he ever returns my letters.
Oh, hi, who is it?
I'm looking for a crap.
CRAP. CRAP, thank you. Thanks.
Dear Alex, I heard about that CRAP community that you are building, and I must say I am quite impressed. As a pigeon pioneer myself, I applaud fine people like yourself looking out for the little guys. So, as a token of my appreciation, here is a check. Congratulations, my friend. Sincerely, Jeff Staple.
Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
This is the most money I've ever seen in my entire life.
This is to finish the project, isn't it? Jeff Staple, oh my god! You're the fucking man! Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go!
I was always made fun of as a kid for hanging out with the birds. Look who's laughing now.